Blangsinga Waterfall is one of the most beautiful and largest in Bali. To visit this waterfall, what time does it open? Besides what time and what days are the most crowded with tourists? And most important, how much is the entrance ticket to this place? Let's watch this video.
I'm one of traditional village here. My name is Ketut Sudarpa. Here we are open at 7 o'clock p.m. until 7 o'clock p.m. At this waterfall, we have many tourists come every day. And also for the crowded day here on Sunday and Saturday. But the best time to visit this village and also to visit this waterfall around 3 p.m. because the weather is not so hot. And beside that, at this time is very good for relaxing, taking photo and swimming. Every visitor who come to this place, they have to pay entrance ticket. But for the children under 6 years old, they get free. And visitors are 6 years old up, they have to pay 30,000 rupees per person. But for pre-wedding season, they have to pay 300,000 rupees.